Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix lane assist unavailable in your Porsche. The solution will work for the Porsche Cayenne, for the Porsche Macan, Panamera, 911, 718 and the Porsche Boxster. So if you have any of these models, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So in order to activate your lane assist, it's pretty simple. Just go to your screen right here in the right side of your steering wheel. I'm gonna give you guys a closer look. So once you're here, guys, make sure that you are here in the apps section, and then here you're gonna find all of your applications. Here you're gonna find car, or you can find also this little car icon here in the bottom left. So if you give it a click, you're gonna be right here. Here you're gonna find all of the settings related to your car and to your driving experience. Here in the top you're gonna find these sections: drive, assistance, trip and comfort. So just go to assistance, and then here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of your assistance settings. Here you're gonna find lane keeping. Make sure it's enabled, and if you go to additional functions, you're gonna find lane keeping assist. Make sure it's enabled as well. And then here you're gonna find the lane departure warning. You can also set it up if you want. So if you have this enabled, it should be working fine. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.